Are you a parent or former spouse trying to ensure consistent financial support payments, but facing delays or missed contributions? It can be frustrating when you're relying on those payments to maintain financial stability for your family, and navigating the system to enforce an existing order can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, there is a clear process to help. The steps to get an income withholding order involve obtaining a court order that mandates an employer to deduct support payments directly from the paying parent's or spouse's wages. This mechanism is often the most reliable way to ensure regular and on-time payments, providing much-needed stability. This system works because income withholding orders are legally binding directives. JSON title: What are the steps to get an income withholding? Are you a parent or former spouse trying to ensure consistent financial support payments, but facing delays or missed contributions? It can be frustrating when you're relying on those payments to maintain financial stability for your family, and navigating the system to enforce an existing order can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, there is a clear process to help. The steps to get an income withholding order involve obtaining a court order that mandates an employer to deduct support payments directly from the paying parent's or spouse's wages. This mechanism is often the most reliable way to ensure regular and on-time payments, providing much-needed stability. This system works because income withholding orders are legally binding directives. They are backed by both state and federal laws, such as Title IV of the Social Security Act, which requires states to have procedures for income withholding. This legal framework provides strong enforcement power, reducing the burden on the recipient to chase payments and minimizing potential conflict between the parties involved. It shifts the responsibility for deducting and forwarding payments directly to the employer, making the process much more consistent and automatic. To secure an income withholding order, you will generally follow several key steps. First, ensure you have a valid child or spousal support order already in place. Next, you will need to identify the paying parent's or spouse's current employer, as accurate information is crucial for proper service. You will then need to prepare the necessary forms, which typically include a standardized federal income withholding form and any state-specific documents required by your jurisdiction. These forms are usually available through your state's child support enforcement agency or the court clerk's office. After completing the forms, you will file them with the court or the relevant child support agency. Finally, the order must be properly served to the employer and often to the paying parent or spouse, ensuring all parties are legally notified and can comply. Important aspect of this process is the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, commonly known as UIFSA. This federal law helps states cooperate in enforcing support orders across state lines, meaning you can often obtain an income withholding order even if the paying parent or spouse works in a different state. Additionally, once an order is in place, it is wise to periodically confirm that the employer information remains current. The Federal Office of Child Support Enforcement oversees guidelines that standardize these procedures, promoting efficiency and effectiveness nationwide. Proactively pursuing an income withholding order, you are creating a reliable system for consistent financial support. This not only ensures that essential funds are regularly available for your family's needs, but also brings a greater sense of peace and predictability to your financial planning. It is a powerful tool to provide stability and reduce stress, knowing that support payments will be handled automatically and dependably. Slides, title, Securing Consistent Support, bullets, label, Payment Challenges, sentence. Inconsistent support payments can create significant financial instability and frustration for families. Label, Income Withholding Order, sentence. An IWO is a court order directing an employer to deduct support directly from wages. Label, Financial Stability, sentence. This legal tool helps ensure regular, on-time payments for reliable financial planning. Title, Why IWOs Are Effective, bullets, label, Legal Mandate, sentence. Income withholding orders are legally binding and backed by strong state and federal laws. Label, Reliable Payments, sentence. They provide automatic payment deductions, reducing the need for direct interaction and delays. Label, reduced conflict, sentence. Shifting payment responsibility to employers helps minimize potential disputes between parties. Title, key steps to obtain an EWO, bullets. Label, valid support order, sentence. First, ensure you have an existing and valid child or spousal support court order. Label, prepare forms, sentence. Gather and complete the required federal and state-specific income withholding documents. Label, file and serve, sentence. File your forms with the court and properly serve the employer and paying parent. Title, ensuring financial peace of mind, bullets. Label, interstate enforcement, sentence. UIFSA allows enforcement across state lines, supporting families wherever a parent works. Label, accurate information, sentence. Keeping employer details current is crucial for continuous and uninterrupted payment processing. Label, consistent support, sentence. An EWO provides stability and peace of mind by securing dependable financial contributions.